All right, guys, y'all saw the video of the short where we got this thing stuck together yesterday. Now we're taking this part over here apart, and we're going to rebuild the whole power section of this trunk. So stick around, guys, stick around. And Troy ain't gonna be doing no skateboard tricks today. We ain't got a skateboard, or he would. All right, we're cutting out a pattern here. Square for now, but it's gonna change. So now we had our square, we measured everything out, got our template made, our first one, which is over there. This is our second template. This one's gonna be pretty accurate. We'll go test fit this, and then we'll know what we're doing with the piece of wood. Let's set it in there. It only goes in the correct way. That looks pretty damn good. So now we're following the curves right up against the box. Made our little shelf. What do you think, Troy? You like it?
Yeah.
Got any issues with it? I don't have any issues with it. All right, look, now we got our cardboard piece on here. All we gotta do is trace it out, and Bob's your own. Now we got the little piece of wood. It's supposed to look exactly like the piece of cardboard. Question is Troy gonna be able to figure out how to put it in there?
Yep.
Question is it gonna fit or not?
Yep.
See, set it down so I can have a look. I'll adjust it. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna pull back just a little bit because of the carpet, and that's going to be perfect. Awesome. Show me what we're talking about. This is a cardboard again. How would you do it?
Probably take the battery out and sit it on the ground.
Nope. Put it back in there. Put it on top of the battery. Get it lined up. Now, what'd you see me do to get that box cut out earlier?
Fold it?
I used the box as the line drawer. Yeah. So what you do is get that sucker right in position pretty close, and then push down on top of that battery on those two battery posts. Just give it a good solid push. You ain't gonna hurt nothing. There you go. Get both of them. Both the posts, make sure there's a good dent.
Yeah, it's almost through.
Okay, yep, there you go. Now pull them back off. So now we got our two holes, and we get the battery and take it over to the bench. Yeah, I see, now you're paying attention. Now we have an exact pattern to draw. We just turn the battery upside down, put the things in there, and then we can sketch around it, and then we have the pattern. So now we have our line around here. Troy's got the knife. Go ahead and cut that sucker out, and then we'll start transposing it over to our wood. Here's the general idea. We ain't got everything in position yet, but this is kind of how it's going to sit. And we're going to use these things here. So the positive one will go this way, and the negative one will go this way. I think it's going to look pretty cool. So we're always recycling. Got a little bit of pallet wood. We're going to use it for the feet. The feet. We're going to do something similar to this. Our feet on the bottom. So there's that. We're going to nail and we're going to glue.
Everybody drop, body drop, body drop. Bass rides rolling in, crowd goes off. Big subwoofers trying to blow the top off. Chrome wheels rolling in the paint, looks good. Cars from out of state, some from the hood. Drop like thunder, gonna make the ground shake. Hits like a hammer, it's a bass earthquake. SPL judges all chilling in the lanes. Big demos drop, make the crowd insane. Everybody drop, body drop, body drop. Drop, 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 drop. The bass won't stop, everybody drop. Gonna get loud, gonna get loud. Everybody drop, body, everybody drop. Everybody get loud. Everybody drop, body, girl, body drop. People see the woofers, amps and wires. You see the matching colors, big amplifiers. You don't see the months of working through the night, sweat, blood and tears trying to make it just right. The folks put a lot of making these cars, many hours of maxing out cars. So when you meet us out there in the lot, know we're proud of the system we got. Everybody drop, body, drop, body, drop, 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 drop. The bass won't stop, everybody drop. Gonna get loud, gonna get loud. Everybody drop, everybody get loud. Everybody get loud. Let the bass ignite. Whole block shaking, wolves hitting just right. Turn it up louder, feel it in your chest. This the part that we love the best. Crowd get wild, let the woofers pound. We ain't stopped until we shake the ground. Build it up higher, don't let it stop. Drop coming heavy, cause the bass don't stop. Everybody drop, body, drop, body, drop. Drop, 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 body, drop. The bass won't stop, everybody drop. Gonna get loud, gonna get loud. Everybody drop, everybody get loud. Everybody get loud.
Alright, we got both power wires run, both ground wires run, fuses in place. Now we're building these wires. Looking pretty good. Now we're at this stage. Looking pretty cool, huh? Yeah, y'all pay attention. Bass Bear Garage, knocking this shit out, skateboards and all. Hell yeah, man. Well, you can't put a four-wheeler in here, but yeah, we're getting somewhere. So yeah, we're going to cover up that panel over there with the carpeted panel that goes in the car, trimmed to fit eventually. And we're going to build a wall right here, a little wall that comes up high enough to create this cubby hole. And yeah, that's pretty much how that's going to go down. All right, we're still cleaning stuff up, but let's get that off of there. There's it tied up there. And the wires ain't quite run yet, but we got the whole thing put together. Looking good. All right, guys. And do a little vacuuming back here, but what y'all think? Not too shabby, huh? See, Troy, he packs all his stuff over here. His bags and stuff, his tools, all on one side. And it's getting there. It's starting to look like some shit. Already sounds like it. Rocking the SLAPZ, baby.
But the sound's gonna be better too.
Yeah, you'll actually get a little bit more power out of that. A little bit more power, just a little bit. It's looking good, bro. Some cardboard sweeping.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a little cleaning done. It's a little better. A little better. Got the see if the lights are on. Lights are on. DSP's on. Pretty good. All lit up.
Yeah, it's fine.